Hey everyone, so in this video about CCF, Continuous Compliance Framework, I'm going to show you how you can map evidence to a specific control. So what we're looking at is a page of evidence here, and these are streams of evidence that are being gathered from various sources. Each line here represents a stream of evidence and its current status, whether it's good or bad. And at the same time, we have a view of our controls here. So these are a digitized version of the controls we're following. And if I look down here, we've got System and Communications Protection, and SC8 here we've got Transmission Confidentiality and Integrity. So if I go to my evidence and I want to pick out the specific evidence that we want to map to that particular control, if I type equals SSH, that allows us to select down the evidence to a specific subset of evidence. And then I want to take that further and look at a very specific policy that we're checking. So to do that, I added _policy equals compliance framework dot deny password based root SSH. So that's checking a very specific policy. And if you're wondering where this name value pair is, this label is in the evidence, you can look at hidden labels for each evidence stream. So for example, here we've got for this SSH should use key-based authentication. You've got type of agent, you've got the plugin, policy path, and so on and so on. And then finally here you've got the particular policy that we're checking. So those with underscore in front are hidden and are automatically added by the plugin checker that we've got. So if I search for just those, we winnow it down to these on our four servers. And let's say I want to save this. I want to save this as a new dashboard. So we'll call it SSH deny password. And if I want to map this to a specific control, I can choose the control we just looked at, SC81 cryptographic protection, and then submit. And then we've got we've saved this dashboard here. Now if I go to this dashboard page, I can see that we've got a specific graph for this. We show the controls we've mapped it to and so on. And also if I go to controls, then now if we look down to SC8.1, we can see that that particular control now has this pill next to it, which shows the number of passing pieces of evidence and the number of failing pieces of evidence against the policies that we've created on our system. So that's how you can map specific evidence to specific controls using CCF.